Now. Morris is dead.
I gotta pop my nose, man. Ouch, man.
Get him in the stomach, man. Punch him in the stomach. Go around him, Brandon. No grappling, Morris, you meat man. Give him shots. Go over there more, man. Morris, come out of the corner. Let him out of the corner. Get him in the stomach, man. Alright, there's a round.